What's up, squad? Sunday market breakdown. I'm gonna go over the charts, look for any setups I might see. Let's just get into this. I'm gonna delete those lines because these already happened. So, starting from the daily, see what we can see. Looks like this might go up, break and retest here. So I will be looking for buys, most likely. Nice break and retest. If we could get, probably gonna visit that low, maybe make a divergence here. So something like this might happen, and then we get a good confirmation for buys. AUD USD is looking interesting. AUD CAD. AUD CAD. Touched on that recent high. Got a nice sell from this. Well, I'm not seeing anything until price gets at least here, and even then it's probably gonna visit that low. So AUD CHF. Not seeing anything right now. Price needs to get to either here or here. It's between two. It's exactly in the middle of a range. Range being this here. So we will just have to wait and see. AUD JPY. Currently not seeing anything. I'm actually thinking CAD CHF might drop. It broke that recent high, filled in this gap. Divergence is still very strong. So I'm looking for sells here. Price is also in a downtrend. Currently in a very big range. With a nice divergence, took out that high. It might go down. Or it could be a break and retest into this region, who knows. See you on Monday. CAD JPY. Not seeing anything. Probably. Well, price needs to get to at least here before I do it. Before I do anything. Euro USD. Not in my ideal zone. EuroCAD is actually looking interesting. I'm still thinking EuroCAD might come up here because it missed the high. So, and it's looking very interesting right now. So, well, we just have to wait and see. Not seeing any divergences right now. Keep an eye on that. I'll keep an eye on that. Didn't get that trade, unfortunately. The divergence was on the 4-hour. I have a log of missed trades that I'm gonna. I have a list of missed trades that I mark up that go in line with my strategy, but use different time frame divergences. And when I'm in the end of my challenge, 90-day challenge, then I'll decide what to do. If I'm gonna just stick with H1 divergences, or am I gonna use a combination of different time frames? Well, we could see divergence happening here. It's not impossible, so keep an eye on this as well. Although if AUD/USD is going up, Euro AUD usually goes down. So we'll just have to wait and see. Euro NZD also, it's been raging at this region for a while now, so I'm more inclined to take a short position in this case, just because it failed twice to break out this range now. It failed. So, well, anyway, not doing anything until the price gets to here or here. So, Euro CHF stuck in a range. Stuck in a range. Euro JPY. Price needs to get there for me to take action. GBP USD. Well, I'm not seeing anything on here. This would have been a fantastic trade. I felt fear. I didn't want to take it. I didn't believe it would work. So I doubted myself. And also the stop is huge, but I could have done this, or this would have stopped me up. But this would have been perfect. Either way, I didn't take this trade, even though it was a legit trade. This would have been a very good setup. I wish I would have seen it sooner, like somewhere here. But it's Thursday. I was at Jiu-Jitsu at that time. Usually not the time. Well, I could have. So 9 and 10. This is the time I could have seen this trade. Actually, I'm gonna mark this up as well. I'm gonna write it down. I'm gonna do it later. Mark up this trade because this is a timing issue. I'm usually behind my computer at that time, so this could have been a very nice trade. This would have worked out perfectly. 50 pips. Well, 1-to-1 would have happened in the next morning, but this would have gone to 1-to-3 race basically. Also, I think I'm gonna decide later is whether how am I gonna progress out of 1-to-1, out of 1-to-1s, because this would have been fantastic. 1-to-3 trade. Okay, I'm gonna mark this up, but currently, well, I need to see some bullish candles if I'm gonna act on this divergence here. I would need to see some bullish candles. So it's not impossible that it's gonna bounce from there. Anything can happen in Forex. Keep an eye on this. GBP CHF. Nowhere. Don't see anything right now. This is in a weird place. It's ranging, so 50-50. Also, this is not a price action I like, but the price will need to break this low in order for me to take any trades. Here I'm gonna need to see price come back up here for me to take a sell. We'll have to wait and see. Same thing on NZD-JPY, but JPYs seem to be going down. But this could be just a pullback, so we'll see what price does over there. Maybe we can get a nice divergence happening somewhere here. Maybe get a nice buy. It's at a very interesting location, but I'm not seeing any potential divergences on H1. I'm not seeing anything here either. And yeah, USD JPY, I don't know. Seems to be making a huge M, so probably gonna see price dropping somewhere here to complete the M pattern. So it's not impossible, not at all. So yeah, that's it. Marked up 4 pairs. AUD USD, looking for buys at that zone over here. CAD CHF might be ripe for sells. It's probably gonna make a small pullback, then range over here or just drop. I might not get an entry. EuroCAD, we'll have to see for we'll have to look out for a divergence, but it's in a very interesting place. for buys. Euro UD also in a very interesting place, but I'm more inclined to take sells. We'll have to wait what price does. And then GBP CAD. I'm gonna mark up this trade as a missed trade, and then this could be a very nice buy. Well, that's it right now. 5 marked up, 5 possible setups, and we'll see how these play out. I'm gonna update you on my Instagram, make a YouTube video as much as I can every day, hopefully. And the holidays are coming up, so we'll see. Yeah. See you in the next video. Bye.